Organized our 2007 Grand Reunion, we resorted to e-groups, email. Yun ang high-tech noon. Ngayon, ang email hindi na high-tech. Facebook na ang high-tech ngayon. I don't know kung meron gumagamit ng Facebook. In fact, if you go to Facebook, in my case, I'm one of the top, I'm one of the more active users of Facebook. You can add me kung kayo member ng Facebook. Merong makikita mo pag i-enter mo ang Quirino High School doon, ang daming mga alumni ng Quirino High School na nakalista sa Facebook. So I'm very sure that it will be very easy for you to find your friends there sa Facebook. YouTube, ganun din. Itong part of this, I'm going to post this in YouTube by maybe about midnight tonight. So kinabukasan, pwede na makita ito. Pakiikot nga yung camera mo, yung camera mo sa, para mailabas natin sa YouTube. Pakikaway lang kayo para makita kayo ng ito. I-post natin ito at papakita natin sa mga ibang hindi naka-attend dito. And as we all know, YouTube is worldwide. I'm going to post this in Facebook, pati sa Twitter, lalabas dito. By the way, I'm one of the very active YouTube users. I have posted already about 1,300 videos personally sa YouTube. And I have 1,800 photo albums in my Facebook account. At yung mga photo rito, nakukunin na nakuha na mula nung ako'y pumasok doon sa gate, mula nung ako'y binatin ni Ruby at then Nelson, lahat ng mga picture na yan ipopost natin sa Facebook. So we'll have a permanent record of these proceedings. So sa inyong lahat, I'd like to congratulate you. I am so proud of you, and I think all of you should also be proud that if you look at the Philippine government today, if you look at the Philippine business today, even in local government, you will find that there's so many alumni of Quirino High School. Marami ng alumni tayo na naging general, naging mayor, naging cabinet member, naging admiral, including my brother who also went through Quirino High School. Nauna lang sa inyo, batch 70 siya. Dapat sa Quirino High School, ngayon admiral na. And so many other leaders of the community, not only in the Philippines, but I think all over the world. So just like you, I am so proud that I am an alumnus of Quirino High School. I am so happy that with so many people you selected me as one of your special guests in your grand 35th reunion. Maraming salamat. Have a nice evening. Enjoy tayo lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Natatandaan mo ba, naka-shorts ka pa ng pruntong? May pruntong din ngayon. May I request Miss Elinayan, this time we will honor our second mothers. Dali lang daw po. Oh, nostalgia again.